Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how can we create a chart in Excel and what are the parameters that we have to consider during creation of chart. So in the normal steps you can simply click on create chart and select the data range and then click on create chart button and you can create it from the default section. So this is the one step. Another way is you can choose the chart from the recommended chart steps, like you will get a preview of chart, and Excel also have a functionality so that gives you a set of recommended charts as per your data selection. So what exactly the benefit of those recommended chart? Let me quickly show you. And so these are the steps. You can pause the video here and you can watch it from there. So let me Okay, so this is what I have a data range available. Let me just quickly select this data range. Okay, I've just selected this data range. And now if I go and click on chart, so I will click on insert and then set menu. You can see it here, recommended chart option is available. If I click on this, it will show what all the recommended chart types that should be considered in this data or this analytic. Apart from that, we have another chart types. If we click on all other chart type, it will show, but that would show the exact structure how the data will look like in this preview. If I take a radar type, if I take a stock type, if I take a column type, so this is how it will be there. And as per recommendation of Excel, this chart would be a suitable chart for this particular data. You can see it here. They're saying you can add the values or you can add the segments. So this may get test up, but this is how it's created. But if your data has more simplified like this, if you have a more simplified data and you want to put a chart here, let me just quickly go back in the insert menu. Recommended charts, it gives me a lot of different charts available because it would be more suitable for this. Now, if you click on the couple of other chart options which are available here, so this will quickly insert a new chart. Like suppose if I take it from here and take it a 2D chart. Okay, so you can see it's created a 2D chart here. If I take it out a 2D radar line chart, I will be getting, but exactly the values are not there. So let me just quickly go back and see what other type of charts available. Let me just select the data, and if I click on this one, you can see. So I just moved the wrong information. Okay, I can edit this information as per my requirement on the second, like the size, color, the structure. And if I change the values, like I change this value as 2000, let's see, this tower should get high. It's moved to 2000. If I want to change this fill color, I can also change the couple of options like fill color. If I want to change the color no fill automatic, or I want it to get this change. If I select the multiple uh, bars, I can change it to multiple colors. Here, whatever things you want to add, Excel data labels. If I want to add the data labels, the values would be added here. So whenever you click on the chart, you will get these options. If I click on this chart, still I will get these options. It will show whatever things available. Once you right click on this, add data labels. If you click on add data labels, you can see the values will be listed here. If I change anything here, it will automatically get changed in all the charts wherever it's applied. The same way here also, if I taken this these value structure and I'm going to insert a chart it here. So for example, I'm going to take a pie chart, this one. 3D pie chart, you can see it's basically how it's bifurcating the data on this, and the format and structure label are there. Because reason is that it's not a suitable structure for the charting. Like here, it's some few examples are mentioned like this. Reason is that is the government and mid-market, it's taking as a primary identity here. Reason is that it would be if I apply the sum filters units, you can apply it from here. If I want to omit some of the data because it's taking like government Canada, government Germany. So like this, it's distributing each row independently. It's taking Germany and the government as a one identity and mid-market and the Germany as a different identity. But here we have a more solid data like the country and the unit cell. So in these kind of scenario, charts are more fruitful when you are trying to display some graphical representation of any data. So always whenever you are going to create a chart, make sure that the data you are going to represent that must be suitable to represent in a graphical format like this. If you see it's not suitable to put in the graphics format like this type of data, it's always recommended to keep that data in the text format. Because whenever you are trying to put the such kind of data, you may get uh, you may create a confusion for the viewers. If I take like data these three section and I go in the radar form, this one, so that could be a suitable one here. You can see some examples like this. So here it's unit sold. This is the country line and then is the gross sales. So unit sold and the gross sales have a two different lines structure here. As because the gross sale values are very high, that's why you are seeing in more detail and the unit sold line is smaller one. If I just wanted to represent these two lines and then I can take another view. I can also take this type of diagrams, this type of diagram, this type of diagram, and the bar chart. In this scenario, if I take it a bar chart, you can see the blue lines are units sold, and as compared to gross sales, units sold is having a less value. That's why we can't see much at here. But if I increase the value as one more 6 here, now we can see. Now you can see these two are almost equal. If I take it this one and this is 5, so I can just add it to 5 years and make it 3 just to see. Okay, now you can see the chart is able to represent the value. So whenever you are creating a chart, you will also consider the one more thing, that is the values that are how it will represent and it will be displayed here. So this is how we can create a charts in Excel, and I will continue with the next video on this, some more details related to pivot table. The link is already in the description box for this next video as well as for the previous few videos. You can check it out related to Excel if you want. And I have added this playlist, Excel playlist details in the same description box, so you can check it from there. All the videos that are part of beginners to professional series in Excel. So till now, thank you so much and keep watching my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.